Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. It's a plant video and look at my cryptoseedum. They are at their best, getting the full sun, the winter sun, and they are just so happy and glowing. Look at the change in the color. It was all green and now it is blush pink or dusty pink, whatever. Now this is the cryptanthus. It's a cutting that I have taken from my own plant and put it in a pot. Well, this is the Chrysula ovate, the variegated one, which is my recent purchase, as you all have seen in my previous plant videos, and it is doing just wonderful. Look at the margins turning red. Beautiful. Now let's move on to the beauties who are ruling at present, and this is the sedum. There are two varieties and look at it, how beautiful they look. All were green and now it is all turning so colorful, all dusty pink, one of my favorite color. Let's move ahead to the string of hearts, a very delicate plant, I should say, and every year I purchase, every year I lose, and right now this is how it looks. I feel so scared to touch the plant as well. And this is the non-variegated string of hearts, a hardy plant, and yes, I'm not scared to touch it. This has its own beauty, just that it is green in color, but yes, I like this too, a hardy one. Now here is the Hawatia, and they are pushing each other to move upwards, and it is almost full. Oh my god, look at the beauty of this wandering Jew, or the trade scantia. See how beautiful it looks. It's just glowing in the morning sun. The variegated one. I love all varieties of wandering Jew. They have the beauty of their own. Look at the variegation. And this is my Syngonium, the milk confetti, I guess. And see how tall it has grown. This was also a plant which was in my bucket list at one time, and I could get her home, and it has become a tall boy now. Look at the height of the plant, and I'm planning to take at least 2 cuttings from here, if not 2, at least 1, because the plant has become too long. See, the price is still there written on the flower pot. I had bought it for I think 175. It's written 170 or 150, I think I paid. But yes, that time I had to get this plant. I was so much in love with this plant. I still am. And look at the leaves. Now this is my pretty Aglaonema, which never disappoints me. It is always so cheerful, so happy, and so bright. This is my Aglaonema. Actually, I like all Aglaonemas. I have 3 varieties and I'm in a lookout for some good colorful varieties, but I have not come across such. As soon as I come, I'm going to get it home. Thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.